Hello everybody, and welcome to my workshop where we're going to have a look at this Peta W2 today. It's Sunday the December the 29th, and we're just after Christmas, and feeling a bit, I want some shed time, some workshop time, so I thought I'd get on with this. I've got all the nuts and bolts undone on this head here, and I think if you watch my last video on this Peta W2, you'll find out that this engine here needed a helicoil in that spark plug hole, and that's simply because the spark plug, you see it's a twin cylinder, the spark plug isn't actually very tight like that one is in the spark plug hole. The threads have gone, so it needs a helicoil kit. I've actually got a kit. I got a kit for Christmas, and we're going to try and get the head off and everything, and put a kit on it and see what we can do from there. The only thing is that my workshop's really rather overcrowded at the moment because my son's tractor's in. He's had to store it temporarily, so my son's tractor's here for a few weeks, and we're going to have to muzzle in and do what we can in a short space, but never mind, we'll see what we can do. I'll take a few more videos when we get a bit further down the line. I've got everything loose now, so everything will just come apart, and then it'll be a case of getting this cylinder head on the bench and re-helicoiling the spark plug hole. So anyway, thanks for watching.